In this session, we will discuss about type of variables. So there are two type of variables, explicit type variable and implicit type variable. Explicit type variable declared with the data type are called explicit type variable. Example, int a equals to 10, string name equal to Ram. Implicit type variable in C# 3.0 version where was introduced. It is used to declare variable without specifying data type directly. Example, where a equals to 10. How to check what is the type of data type of a? So we have a get type method to identify the data type. Okay, let's see in action. So suppose I defined where a equals to 10. So it declared at the runtime. So we can see that int a. So this is defined at the compile time. Okay, so how to check what is the type of a? So a dot get type. We have a method. When we run the program, we are able to see system.int32 because system.int32 is the alias of a int. Okay, we will discuss about alias in next session. So move to the key point. So where can be used to declare any built-in data type or a user-defined data type or an anonymous type variable. Implicit type variable must be initialized at the time of declaration. So we cannot use that like a, then a equals to 10. You need to specify some value to a variable. So it will throw a compile time error. Okay, let's move to next. More than one declaration of variable, a where variable in a single line statement are invalid. Suppose if I am write something like that, a equals to 10, b equals to 30. So this is a invalid. Let's move to another point where can be used in for and for each loops. We will discuss about loops later. Where can be used as a method, signature and a parameter. We will discuss when we will working with methods. Thank you.